guys, welcome to the channel Rockin' the Country. I'm Don. I'm doing Ty Herndon's song Hat Full of Rain. I don't know this song. I've done one or two of Ty's songs in the past, and it was requested by Gumby, except it's spelled Gumbye. That isn't how Gumby spelled it, right? Oh gosh, I don't remember. That cartoon, that show when we were kids, I guess it was the first iteration of claymation or something. But Gumby, who is Gumby's partner on the show? I don't know. All right, Ty Herndon's Hat Full of Rain. Interesting. Piano means poignant.
I've been riding through the storm, feeling weary and forlorn. Outside the shelter of your tender arms, it's been 40 days and nights since we said our last goodbye, and there ain't a single rainbow in sight.
That was nice writing.
The sky keeps right on crying. I keep calling out your name. Can't find the will to keep on trying. Got a heart full of sorrow and a hat full of rain. I'm so clear to the skin, there's a cold chill setting in, and this old heart is shaking like a willow in the wind. I've been up and down the coast, running from love's ghost. It's the good memories that hurt the most. The sky keeps right on crying. I keep calling out your name. Can't find the got a heart full of sorrow and a hat full of rain. Gotta find the will to keep on trying. I got a heart full of sorrow and a hat full of rain.
Yeah, I love that 40-day reference.
A hat full of rain.
That's so creative.
A hat full of rain. A hat full of rain. Oh, a hat full of rain.
Yeah, long fade there. Yeah, that's one of those songs that somebody was going through a difficult time. I try to look at the genesis of a song and how it might have come together, not just lyrically, but experientially from the songwriter's perspective. Because sometimes you can tell that the songwriter was going through it. The lyrics are just you could just feel it. But this is one of these songs where it's like, you could make this song up. Maybe not in the spur of the moment. Everybody's dealt with heartache, but the biblical reference to the 40 days and nights and it just raining nonstop. And in the song, he said it's been 40 days. And I don't know if he said at nights, but clearly a biblical reference. That's just not a coincidence. And then now he's got a hat full of rain. I mean, it could have been the type of thing where the spiritually minded songwriter was going through or went through a tough time or saw a friend going through a tough time, somebody or a family member, and put the two pieces together of that and then what it was like living life. I mean, it was this was also kind of a torchy song, but it was a very pretty song. And the guitar in this was very crisp, but it was made to be sort of underneath and have the story come out as prominent. So there weren't any, the instrumentation was not overdone, and that was purposeful. So it was sort of like easy on the ears, if you will, but hard on the heart. Because I know what this is like. All right, I'm going to rate this song. And all right, Gumby, the number that popped into my head was an 8.6. And it was on the strength of that analogy and bringing in the 40 days, the water, and then the hat. I mean, because you could bring in the 40 days and nights and the flood and what it feels like, not being on dry land and searching and all that. But coming up with a hat full of rain, I've never heard that expression before, but tied it together really well. So there it is. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day. I'll see you on another video. Keep rocking the country.